All right, guys, how's it going? Steve Rhodes here. Nice to see you. I'm going to try a new song for you called Birds of a Feather. Now is a good time to come together. I'd like to be an eagle in your sky. Always knew we were birds of a feather. Now is the time for us to fly. The earth is a ball that spins around, from the Eiffel Tower back to your hometown. Let the sun shine on your day like a rainbow through the haze. We're all in this together. Birds of a feather. Now is the time for new beginnings. A time to see which way we want to go. Is it love? Is it hate? We'll be bringing. Can we see which way the river flows? We'll never find the answers in a book, but deep within the soul of humankind, in every minute, in every hour, in every petal of a flower, in every shuttered street we will walk down, in every hometown. Can you see what I see? Do we share the same dream? Even though we are apart, we can love with the same heart, I believe. Can you see what I see? Do we share the same dreams? Even though we are apart, we can love with the same heart, I believe. And even though we are apart, we can love with the same heart, I believe. Thanks for listening, guys. There's my song. I'm gonna put that out for the human race. See you guys later.